ये वाला है और भाई उस पे आपने बात की। वाह क्या बात है।
जस्ट एक मिनट ले लीजिए।
यहाँ से देखना शुरू करो, वहाँ तक।
लेफ्ट से राइट।
Yes, sir. Very good.
Now middle.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
All right.
Perfect.
Having an intimate conversation and her crying and then flat out. Can we expect more family dynamics on season 3? Maybe a little more focus on season 4?
So please.
Thank you so much.
It's a lot about family dynamics kicks in a lot more this time.
Yeah.
So of course you're gonna see
We
a
can
lot
expect
of.
more of family dynamics.
It is Family Man, so
Yeah.
you're gonna have a lot of family dynamics.
Okay, yeah, thank you so much. And what kind of reaction do you expect for people? I mean, it's obviously released in OTT, so obviously you have a diverse audience range from season 1 and the series is a hit. Is there anything specific that you expect from IFFI 2025?
This is a great place to premiere always. We always come here. I think we were here for the season 2 as well.
Yeah.
So love to be here anytime Goa, anytime if we are here.
Okay, thank you so much.
मनोज जी आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि इफ़ी फेस्टिवल जो है कितना इंडिपेंडेंट फिल्म मेकर्स के लिए कितना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी रहता है आपके हिसाब से?
उनके लिए बहुत बड़ा शोकेसिंग है। जो छोटे फिल्में होती हैं या जितने भी फेस्टिवल्स हैं उस मामले में छोटी फिल्मों का बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म मिलता है उनको अपनी फिल्म को लॉन्च करने का, उनको प्रीमियर करने का, शोकेस करने का। तो हमेशा से फेस्टिवल्स और ख़ास करके इफ़ी फेस्टिवल का इसमें बहुत भारी योगदान रहा है।
मनोज जी कंटेंट की बात की जाए अगर तो
मैं समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या।
Your character understood Kashmir very well, better than most Indian cinema films do. So, do you think there is a need for emotional connectivity more than that is displayed in Indian cinema, and OTT platforms can do that in terms of not being just security centric?
What centric?
Security centric, like most of the
Security centric. No, there are many films being made. I don't know you have seen those films or not. There is a film like Laila Majnun, you must get back to it, which is shot and in Kashmir, and it is talking about the people of Kashmir, right? So similarly, there are many films, many filmmakers coming forward, making their own, creating their own story for the big screen and for OTT. So things are changing very rapidly. We just have to be very, very encouraging and positive about it.
आप तीनों से जानना चाहेंगे कि कंटेंट की बात की जाए तो आपको लगता है कहीं रीजनल सिनेमा या OTT प्लेटफॉर्म पे ज़्यादा अच्छे कंटेंट हो रहे हैं बनस्बत बॉलीवुड के?
नहीं मेरे ख्याल से सब जगह अच्छा काम हो रहा है, ऐसा नहीं डिपेंड करता है कि अच्छा है, बहुत ही सब्जेक्ट टू टर्म है, बट कंटेंट जहाँ भी अच्छा बनता है वो सब अच्छा निकल के आता है।
That's it and done.
निम्रत जी
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have with us the entire cast and crew of the Family Man season 3. Yes, what do you want, Hema ji?
एक बार यहाँ
एक बाइट यहाँ हो जाए. Okay.